Hi, this is Marie Solid. Today we are going to fold a sitting bird. Origami paper. I'm using printed paper. First thing I'm going to do is make a triangle. The next thing we're going to do is fold this each side to the center, right to where you have that crease. Take your time and be precise. Try to get all the way to the corner. Now you do it the same thing to the other side. Looks kind of like an ice cream cone. Next, we're going to fold the top corner down. And you have two choices here. You can either tuck it in on this side if you want your bird to be one color, or you can fold it over on the outside if you want the bird to have a colorful hood, kind of like a bald eagle. So that's what I'm going to do today. Next, you take each corner of the top and fold it to the center line. First one side. And then the other side. And now you're going to open up the side. You're going to pull that corner down. And reverse that crease that's already been made, so that comes straight down on the other side. So we're going to pull this down and we're reversing this crease, and then we'll have to fold it flat down. Okay. Next, you fold these sides up. These are going to be the bird's feet. And now you fold it in half like a taco. And you see how it's starting to look like a bird. So we're going to open it up, back up again, and get to decide how far down you want the tail to go. You're going to fold it up and then down, making a little dart. So I have a long tail. And then I fold, crease that, open it up, and tuck it inside to form the bird's beak. And you have a sitting bird.